Hello to everyone. In my series of discussion, nowadays I am making discussion on various specific stocks. Uh, in that series, the earlier stocks were Tech Solutions, Syncom Formulation, Yes Bank, Ircon International, G Media. The purpose of making video on these stocks is mainly because these stocks are underpriced and the stocks are having a very good potential to grow further. With that motive, earlier stocks, the videos were I made, and today also I have come with a very specific stock. The name of the stock is 3i Infotech. It comes under IT sector, and it is also a penny stock. And if we see I'm making complete analysis of that stock. So let us see what is the P. P is 12.64, whereas sectoral P is 27.78. So it is a very cheap stock as per in P terms. And let us see other that key figures. That is current market price is 9.70, and volume in the stock is very high, that is 3 crore 62 lakh 32,695. If we say 20 days average volume, it is 2 crore 21 lakh 54,000. And if we see 20 days average delivery, it is 1 crore 12 lakh 24,691. We can see it almost 50% is the delivery percentage of the last 20 days. It is a very good sign. And now let us see 52-week high low. The 52-week high is 9.70, which is just going every day. It is making new high and making buyer freeze. And 52-week low is 1.50. So we can say 600% growth from low it is. And the market cap of the share is 1,568 crore. Book value is 2.14. Price to book value 4.53. Dividend yield is 0.62, and P/C ratio is at 17.02. Now let us see advanced chart of the stock. If we see the advanced chart of this stock in day basis, you see almost in November month the price was nearly 3 rupees, and in December it have a very little growth. It touched around 3.50, 3.6, we can say. After that, in December months, it made a good growth, and it touched above 5. And in 2021, January 21, it made a high of almost, we can say, 9. So again it came down, the price came down, and in February it touched approximately 6 above 6.5, we can say. And it was in a range bound from February to March, from you see 6 to 7. Again in March it make a growth and touched 9. Again it touched 9, and again in April little down it came, and 7. We see further in May month it again came a low of 7. After that continuously it is making high, and today it is 9. In 15th May it is 9.70. It is almost 52-week high. So from last 6 months we can say that it has from 3 to 9, almost 300% growth it has shown. So the stock itself proves that it has a very high potential, and it is making 300% growth in last 6 months. So marvelous growth we can say. Now let us see the SWOT analysis, that is strength, weaknesses, opportunity and threat. If you see let us see the strength first. There are so many strengths. First is growth in net profit with increasing profit margin quarter to quarter, increasing revenue every quarter for the past 2 quarters, increasing profits every quarter for the past 2 quarters. Then strong cash generating ability from core business, that is improving cash flow from operation for last 2 years. Book value per share is improving for last 2 years. It is near 52-week high. Then stock gained more than 20% in 1 month. Strong momentum, price above short, medium and long term moving averages. Now let us see what are the weaknesses. So first is a big deal inside and SAST. Sales last month is greater than 1% of total shares. Next weakness is inefficient use of shareholders fund. RO, return on equity, is declining in the last 2 years. Next is inefficient use of assets to generate profit. Return on assets is declining in the last 2 years. Next is degrowth in revenue and profit. Next is decline in quarterly net profit with falling profit margin year to year. Companies with high debt, companies with increasing debt, and some more weaknesses like declining net cash flow, companies not able to generate net cash, then fall in quarterly revenue and net profit year to year, and it has shown a bearish reversal pattern of candle pattern. Now let us see what are the opportunities in the stock. Positive breakout, second resistance, last traded price is greater than resistance 2. Then highest recovery from 52-week low that we have seen from 1.50, it has made 9 rupees. So 600% growth is, we can say, there is in this stock. Then RSI is indicating price strength. Now let us see what are the threats. Threats is big deal, insider and SAST. Sales last week is greater than 1% of total shares. This point we have covered in weaknesses also. Now let us see some more that figures like MC Insights. Mid-range performer, stock with medium financial performance with average price momentum and valuation. These stocks may be affordable and are showing some investors' interest. Now let us see price. Bullish momentum, price is above short, medium and long term moving averages, that we have already seen that it is almost in 52-week everyday new highs are being made, and almost 605 we can say 600% away from 52-week low, and 1.42% away from 52-week high. I mean, it is already touching new high. Outperformer 3i Infotech is up by 37.59%, whereas Nifty is up by 2.09% in last 1 month. And then stock saw 47 number of large deals today. So it shows that many big players are interested. Now let us see financial 3 years CAGR growth. Revenue growth is 4.3%, net profit growth is 2.5%, operating profit is 3.4%. Let us see industry comparison. TTM P ratio is above industry median, market cap is above industry median, price to book value is above industry median, TTM PG ratio is negative, PG TTM P to growth. Then let us see shareholding pattern. FI and FPI have decreased holding from 0.18% to 0.08% in March quarter. The number of FI and FPI investors is unchanged and it remains 23 in this March quarter. Institutional investors have decreased holding from 23.99 to 22.76. It is approximately 1%. Now see the let us see the simple moving averages. 5-day SMA is 8.88, 10 days is 8.38, 20 days moving average is 7.82, 50 days moving average is 7.72, 100 days moving average is 7.31, and 200, which is called 1 year, it is also 5.31. That we have already said that it is price is above short, medium and long term moving averages. Now let us compare with some peer company. First of all, see our 3i Infotech figures. Price is 9.70, percentage change in the price is 4.86, market cap is 1568 crore, TTMP is 21.56, price to book value 4.53, return on equity is 8.14, 1 year performance 487.88, net profit is 68 crore, net sales is 1141 crore, and debt to equity is 2.06. Now see the figures of TCS. The price of the TCS is 3069. Percentage change in the price is 0.60. Market cap is 11,35,516 crore. TTMP is 35.01, price to book value 13.04, return on equity is 37.52, 1 year performance 62.17, and net profit is 32,562 crore, net sales 1,64,177 crore. There is debt to equity 0. Infosys also price is 1,329. Percentage change is in the price is 0.99. Market cap is 566 412 crore. TTMP is 29.27. Price to book value is 6.67. Return on equity is 25.34. 1 year performance is 103.80, and net profit is 19,423 crore. Net sales is 1,04,72 crore. Debt to equity is 0. Then let us see Wipro. The price is 499.80, and the percentage change in the price is 0.27. Market cap 2,73,847 crore. TTM P is 25.37. Price to book value 4.95. Return on equity 17.57. 1 year performance is 171.93. Then net profit is 9,768 crore. Net sales is 61,137 crore. Debt to equity 0.11. Then SCL Tech price is 922.15. Percentage change is 1.30%. Market cap is 2,50,240 crore. TTMP 22.45. Price to book value 4.0. Return on equity 18.60. 1 year performance is 80.37, and then net profit is 11,169 crore. Then your net sales is 75,379 crore. Debt to equity is 0.06. So we have covered the complete analysis of this 3i Infotech, and the reason for choosing this stock that I have already told in the beginning of my video, that it is a penny stock, and it has in 1 year it has made a growth of 300%, and if we compare from 52-week low, then it has made a 600%. So definitely the stock has a very good potential to grow further, and I have already told that every day stock is making buyer freeze and making new 52-week high. So I will also give advice that before making any investment in this stock, please make complete analysis from your end also. With all this, I am making end of today's discussion, and I hope the stock analysis on this 3i Infotech which I have made must be of informative and very definitely a potential stock. With all this, I give my thanks to all the viewers. Thank you very much.